Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I got the DeWaLT tape measure that has a LED power button on the bottom, and this was like 34 bucks, so I'm gonna open it. I don't know, I'm weird sometimes. It's rechargeable also, and yeah. Okay, got that out. This is the charging cable. Instructions. And here it is. Charging cable. Thought it came with a magnetic clip, but guess it doesn't. So, or maybe I'm gonna check. No. Well. Alright. Well. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!